Hey, what's good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Mac, and we tapping in with another great video. I appreciate y'all tuning in. In my last video, I told y'all that I had a bunch of pickups and that I was gonna make a video and show y'all. So this is what it is, and I was actually super surprised at how many people said that they were interested in seeing what I picked up. So here we go. I'm not gonna try to draw this video out any longer than it has to be, so we're gonna jump straight into it. We're gonna start off with the light stuff. I consider all of this heat because it's what I like, but we're gonna start off with the lighter heat, and then we're gonna get into what y'all may consider big heat. So let's go ahead and get started. First couple pairs we got are Air Force Ones. I'm a big fan of Air Force Ones, especially the lows. So here's the first pair. Got the red and white joints. Super clean. A lot of y'all have probably already seen these joints. The reason why I wanted these is because they reminded me of the Rasheed Wallace Air Force One highs. If you're a fan of basketball, if you follow basketball, you already know Rasheed Wallace, he hooped in Air Force Ones, and he had a pair of highs that was just like this, same color blocking. They probably won't ever release that pair, and this is the closest that I'm gonna get to it. So it was a must cop for me as soon as I saw these joints. So the second pair we got is the Worldwide Air Force One low. I paid 80 or 75 for the red and white ones, and I paid 60 for these. So pretty much any Air Force Ones I get them for below retail. These are the Worldwide joints. I don't know if a lot of y'all have seen these already. Got a pair of Air Maxes right here. Got the Volt Air Max 90s. I've worn these a handful of times. Super clean. This has actually turned into one of my favorite sneakers to rock, man. I did pick up the 2020 infrareds. I actually got two pair. I doubled up. I'm gonna show y'all the other pair, just so y'all know I ain't lying. So yeah, I doubled up on the infrared Air Max 90s. Very, very clean. These sold out quick. People didn't let these sit at all. People jumped on these. Classic colorway, classic sneaker. Before 2020, I've never owned a pair of Air Max 90s. I've always looked at them. I thought they was cool, but I never actually pulled the trigger and got a pair. Next, we got a pair of bronze, man. We got the bronze 18s. I know somebody commented, I forgot your name, so forgive me. They commented and they wanted to know if I picked up a pair of LeBron 18s. Yes, I did. I picked up the reflection colorway. These shock drop, I forgot when these came out, but these came out in a shock drop. The LeBron 18, it's all right, man. I may do a video kind of giving my thoughts. It's cool, you know what I'm saying? It's a nice, decent sneaker. This will probably be one of two LeBrons that I buy from the LeBron 18 line. It's okay, but it's definitely not the 17, definitely not the 16. I think they kind of took a step back low key, but we still gotta wait and see what other colorways come out. Next, we got one of my favorite pickups, the all black foams right here. These came out a couple weeks ago. I actually already worn these. I don't know if y'all can see the dirt at the bottom, but I wore these bad boys already. I really needed some all black sneakers. Like, I was looking at my collection, I didn't really have much black sneakers. Like, I just had sneakers with like black and white, black and gray, but I really needed an all black shoe that I can just put on every day and throw on with anything and still look fresh. Next pair we got is a pair of Jordan 1 lows. This is the reverse bread colorway. These is hard. Again, I wore these as soon as I got them. I don't know if y'all can see like the creases on the toe, but I rocked these as soon as I got them. It's a lot of lows coming out. I wasn't really a fan of Jordan Brand just like dropping so many lows. Before this pair, the black toes was the only one that I had. So I really was trying to get these, but they kept selling out. I finally got my hands on them. I think I paid like 90 bucks. I got them from East Bay, and I didn't waste no time rocking these. In a couple years, when they stopped making lows, this pair right here is gonna be one of the most highly sought after Jordan 1 lows. Just my opinion, man. Got another pair of ones right here. This is the Royal Toe Jordan 1 highs. I know when these first came out, it was a lot of hype behind it. I don't know if y'all still feel the same way about these, but I like them. Nike gave me early access, not early access, they gave me it was like a shot drop, and people had like exclusive access, and I was able to get access to these. So, I said, why not? I said, fuck it, and scooped them up. Very nice colorway. I'm glad I got them. This next pair right here, I actually picked these up while I was still like making videos, but I just forgot to make a video. I just didn't think y'all would care. But these is the Jordan 12. I think these are the Flint Grays. I've worn these. Again, I'm gonna try to let y'all see the dirt at the bottom. These are worn. Picked these up from Stadium Goods, man. I really wanted these, so I paid resale. They beat me over the head. And I got them from Stadium Goods, but very, very nice. I love 12s. 12s are dope. Very, very comfortable. And again, man, I didn't waste any time rocking these. We got another pair of 12s. And again, I got these. I actually got these early, and I just was not motivated to make videos, man. University Gold 12s. I had got these like weeks before the release date, and I just did not make a video on it. Just being lazy. These is nice as well. I know a lot of people really wanted these when they came out. I'm pretty sure, you know, it wasn't like a hype sneaker, but people liked it, you know what I mean? So let me know what y'all think about these. Definitely, you know, one of those sneakers to wear. For me personally, I'm just gonna sit it in the stash and then pull it out maybe sometime next year when everybody else kind of forgot about it. Got a pair of 5s. Got the Oregon Duck 5s. It's obviously not the original Oregon Duck 5s, and I think that's what kind of turned people off. Obviously, it doesn't have the duck on the back, but I don't give a damn if it does or not. Like, it's not that deep to me. It's a dope colorway, super clean. Normally, I don't go for like colorful, bright sneakers, but I feel like, you know, you can pull this off. I can pull this off. It's not like super bright. It's a green colorway, but it's not. It's more of a toned down green. So definitely a fall sneaker. You know, around the time of year is when you want to rock a kick like this. But yeah, man, these is hard. I seen a lot of people bashing these, saying it wasn't the original, whatever. You know me, man, I really don't care about that. But this next shoe is one of my favorites. Like, it's one of my favorite pickups of the year. I've been trying to get this shoe for years, and I finally was able to grab them. They're definitely gonna get rocked. I just got these in on Friday. And we got the up tempos. So if you follow my channel, you know I picked up the Olympic joints earlier this year, and this was the pair that I really, really wanted. The all black, well, the black and white ones. This is a classic colorway, a classic sneaker. I got a notification on my Twitter that these was dropping, and I was able to pick these up. I think they dropped on Nike a couple days ago. Like, it's been, these sneaker releases in 2020 have been like so weird, man. These just randomly dropped on Nike, and I got a notification, and I was able to scoop them up. Next, we got a pair of 4s. Y'all can tell by the box. The Psg Fours right here. I don't know when these came out, but these is hard. I like these a lot. Quality is decent. I've seen a lot of mixed reviews on these as well, at least from, you know, YouTubers I follow, but I think these is flames. The quality is pretty decent, pretty solid. And for some reason, like 4s, if somebody was to tell me or ask me rather, you know, what's my favorite Jordans, Jordan 4s would not be in my top 3, but I have a lot of Jordan 4s in my collection. And they're slowly becoming one of my favorite Jordans, man. Super clean right here. Psg Fours. Let me know y'all thoughts on these. Next, got another pair of 4s. I can probably tell by the box. Got the Union 4s right here. Again, I do not know when these came out. I don't really keep up with the release dates, but got the black joints, Union 4s, still DS. Really digging these. The only thing, excuse me, only thing I don't like is the tongue, man. That's the tongue kind of threw me off, but I like the sneaker. I like, you know, the look of it. You know, it's kind of like a hit or miss for some people, but the only thing, the colorway is not bad to me at all. That's not my issue. It's just that tongue. I really don't know what I'm gonna do with that tongue. I've seen some people cutting it off, you know, taking the stitching off or whatever, but I'm not really a crafty person, so I may have to watch some videos on, you know, how to get this tongue right. But it's weird, man. Very, very weird. I just wish they would have stayed a regular Jordan 4, and, you know, we wouldn't have any issues, but we'll see what happens with it. I'm definitely gonna rock these, but I don't know, you know, how I'm gonna do the tongue. I might have to watch a tutorial or whatever. But Union 4s, let me know what y'all think about these. I know they came out with 2 pairs. I think the Guava Ice colorway, I think that's what it's called. Correct me if I'm wrong. I think those are more rare than these, but these is fire. I think these look way better than the other colorways, you know. That's just my opinion, but I think the materials and the quality is definitely there, and that's just how Jordan Brand is gonna do whenever they do a collab. It's always gonna be a good quality collab. So these is dope, man. Let me know y'all thoughts. Let me know if any one of you guys picked these up. Let me know what y'all think about these joints. So I ended up picking these up from StockX. Travis 6s, one of my favorite pickups of the year. Glad I have them. I know, you know, Travis Scott sneakers are considered like hype sneakers, but I really wanted these, especially for the fall. These are perfect for the fall, and I love Jordan 6s. Jordan 6s are my favorite Jordans of all time, so it was just a must cop for me. I missed out on the initial release date, and everybody was taxing for these. Some people was charging like thousands for these when they first came out, but the price kind of dropped, and I just pulled the trigger on StockX. Let me know what y'all think. I know these are considered old, you know, with how many sneakers come out every week, but definitely one of my favorite pickups of 2020. Glad I got these, and I can scratch, you know, these off my list of sneakers that I really want. I don't know how many shoes I showed y'all, but I know it was a lot. So let me know what y'all think about my pickups. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure you like the video, hit the sub button, and I'll see y'all in the next.